Born from aerospace technology, Usha Neuros Turbo LLP is revolutionizing energy efficiency across India with innovation, precision and excellence. 500 plus airfoil bearing turbo blowers installed across various industries. 250 million kilowatt hour of energy saving per year. 200,000 metric tons of CO2 emission combated per year. Being at the forefront of cutting-edge airfoil bearing turbo technology, our journey began with a vision to redefine energy efficiency and revolutionize India's blower and compressor industry. Today, we are industry leaders, driven by innovation, precision and a commitment to sustainability. Our story began with the formation of Usha Neuros Turbo LLP in 2018, a strategic joint venture between two industry titans, Usha Compressors Private Limited of India, led by Mr. Shalabh Sharma, and Neuros Company Limited of South Korea. This collaboration brought together Usha Compressors' extensive market presence and Neuros' cutting-edge airfoil bearing turbo technology. Together, we embarked on a mission to revolutionize the Indian market with state-of-the-art, energy-efficient solutions. At Usha Neuros, our vision is to deliver advanced, energy-efficient solutions that address the evolving needs of wastewater treatment and various industrial applications. Our mission is to cement ourselves as the leading supplier of airfoil bearing turbo technology in India, with a goal to install over 2,000 turbo blowers by 2030, significantly contributing to reducing carbon footprints and promoting operational efficiency across industries. Our state-of-the-art facility, located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, is the heart of our operations. Equipped with advanced machining, fabrication and in-house testing capabilities, we ensure that every product meets the highest standards of quality and precision. Our facility is not just built to meet current demands, but is future-ready with the capacity for 3 times expansion, ensuring we continue to innovate and deliver excellence. Our product portfolio is a testament to our commitment to innovation. From the NX and NC series turbo blowers to side channel and centrifugal blowers, each product is engineered for superior efficiency and performance. At the core of our technology is the airfoil bearing turbo blower, a masterpiece derived from aerospace technology, offering up to 40% more energy efficiency than traditional systems. Our special products like the air cycling machine for aerospace applications and fuel cell vehicle air compressors showcase our versatility and technological prowess in niche markets.
At Usha Neuros, we believe in power of innovation and importance of sustainability. Our commitment to Make in India and Swachh Bharat initiative drive us to bring the cutting-edge technology to the forefront of Indian market. We are just not creating a product, we are creating a legacy. One that emphasizes efficiency, reliability and environment consciousness. Together, we aim to set benchmark in the industry and contribute to greener and more sustainable future.
Our products have a tangible impact and our technology is trusted by major government organizations and industry leaders, including the prestigious 564 MLD Okhla, which is Asia's largest STP and our proud installation site, making us a key player in promoting sustainable and efficient practices. As we look to the future, our commitment remains steadfast to continue revolutionizing the industry with advanced technologies, driving sustainability and shaping a cleaner, greener tomorrow. We are Usha Neuros Turbo LLP, innovating today for a better tomorrow.